Welcome. In this video we will learn how to tie the weaver knot. The weaver knot is a knot used to link two ropes together, usually with a very small diameter. For doing this knot we have a left rope and a right rope. We put the right one under the left one and we keep everything with the thumb and the forefinger. Once we've done that, we put the right rope over here, over the thumb like this, under and around this part, the working hand of the left part, and under like this. Okay? Once we've done something like this, we hold everything with the thumb and the forefinger. Then we take the working hand of the right part over here and we put inside this little circle that we have just made from above. Then we take the working hand and we put it here near the other one. We hold everything with two fingers like this, and then we pull. And knot is done. For this video was everything. See ya.